come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lonely you are. I have to find you, tell you I need you, tell you I set you apart. Tell me your secrets and ask me some questions, or let's go back to the start. Running in circles, coming on days, heads on a science apart. Nobody said it was easy. It's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it is this hard. Take me back to the start. I was just guessing at numbers and figures, pulling the puzzles apart. Questions of science, science and progress. Don't speak as I ask my heart. But tell me you love me, come back and haunt me. Oh, and I rush through the start, running in circles, chasing our tails, coming back as we are. Nobody said it was easy. It's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be so hard. I'm going back to the start.